Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna make something for dessert, and it's kind of like on a cobbler vibe, if you get me. We're gonna be using 2 cinnamon rolls, okay, and 1 can of pie filling. I'm using peach today. You guys can use whatever flavor you like. So what we're going to do, and preheat your oven to 375. Whoa. So you're going to take them out and save the little icing, because we're going to use that afterwards. Okay. And what we're going to do, we're going to dice these up into little pieces, okay? And I'm just cutting them in half and then in half again. Do fourths and separate them. Okay. So we're going to put our cinnamon rolls in this bowl. And then I'm going to run my knife through these peaches, because they're kind of big. And you can do this with the apple one too. That way you can try to get more apple pieces. And then, just like that. And then I'm just going to dump the whole content in. I'm going to mix this up a little bit. And I'm going to add a little bit touch more cinnamon. About a teaspoon. Try to get everything coated. Okay. And then I'm going to take my pan. This is like a 7 by 11. It's the smallest pan I have in the camper. You can do an 8 by 8 and 9 by 9. Then just dump it in. Get all the flavoring out. And then spread it out. And we're going to put this in there between 20 and 30 minutes, okay? In a 375 degree oven. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more cinnamon on top. And just a little bit, guys. That's all you need. And we should be good. And then when it comes out of the oven, let it sit for a little bit. Then we're going to have it, enjoy it with some ice cream. I think it's going to be delish. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, they're done. It looks fabulous. So we're going to let it cool off, and then we'll put our icing on. and then we'll enjoy it with the drive-in movie tonight. Okay guys, I went ahead and put the icing on, and I used both tubs. So we're gonna start serving this up. And I got some vanilla ice cream we're gonna put on this. It smells so good. So guys, look at that. It's gonna be yummy for the tummy. Really good. Minus the dribble. Anyway guys, you gotta try this. This is great. See you on the next video. Love you guys. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And leave comments. I love that. The more comments that people give us, is more reaction that we can get out there a lot further. Anyway guys, thanks a lot. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Love you. Bye.